1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Hi, my name is Blabina.
8, 9, 10. Ready or not, here I come.
We are playing hide and seek. Blah blah Blabina.
Blabina, where are you? I'm coming to find you. Is she in the bathroom? No. Blabina, I'm coming. Where can she be? Have you seen Blabina? Maybe behind the door.
Oh.
Ah! I found you.
You found me. This is my friend Dino. Say hello.
Hello, friends.
Dino begins with letter D. The Dino. He is actually a pencil holder. Yes.
Yes.
Here you can put your crayons, pencils, pen, rubbers, anything you want, and he will hold it for you, won't you? I have a great idea. I can show you how to make your own dino.
Let's do it.
D I N O S A U R Dinosaur. Green. Remember, always ask a grown-up to help you with the scissors. Red. Red. B-I-N-A. Blabina. Thank you, Dino, for holding my crayons, scissors, and coloring pencils. That's so kind of you. Are you going to make your own pencil holder dinosaur? That's fantastic. Remember, you are smart, you are amazing, and you can do anything. See you next time. Blah blah blabina, blah blah blabina, blah 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 blabina.
Blah 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 blah.
Dear grown-ups, please subscribe to my channel for more videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. I would love to hear from you. Bye!